Henry Manning 55 guys, check it out, man. We ain't playing with no goddamn body. We got this joint on a wheelbase now, guys. Shit, so peaceful out here. Shit, man, guys. Check it out, man. We about to hit this joint right here. I don't know how good it's showing the frame, but it's a nice little hill right here, guys. That shit is nasty, guys. So check it out, man. We're gonna do a lap real quick for a little bit. It's getting dark out this joint. We're trying to be stuck in the woods at nighttime, guys. This crawler day, guys. This crawler day. Henry Manning style. Hey guys, Pipsqueak fell off that joint. Let's put Pipsqueak back on the back. Put Pipsqueak back on the back, man. We about to go on the high trail, man. It's nasty, guys. Perfect out here. See, I want an RC for every situation. Land, water, air, every situation, guys. So if somebody ever comes get me, like, yo, you got X, Y, and Z? I want to be able to have the equipment, man. We got every goddamn thing now. We coming back. We're building our fleet up, guys. We building our fleet back up, guys. We ain't playing with no goddamn body neither, man. You see me working. We building that fleet back up, one car at a time. My homeboy got his boo out this joint. Before you bring your boo out, man, you bring it out here, man. You better do something different, man. Get out the house. Go out here. Put on high school thing. Trying to girl I want. Let's go get out here and let's get with you, guys. You know what I'm saying, man? Uh-oh, guys, here we go. put that camera in the perfect place, guys. The camera placement is crazy. That joint. The camera placement is crazy, guys. All right, guys, take care. Old dirty bastard in here. And then we're gonna turn around and head back to the car, guys. And we still got pit squeak. And we still got pit squeak on the back of that joint. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, time out. But we about to end this one real quick a little bit. And we're gonna walk to the car and do the last video, guys. Check it out, man. We jumping and we ain't playing with no goddamn body. Cut that joint. GoPro, stop recording.